Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to hard reset vivo T2x 5G smartphone. Okay, this is helpful for those who have forgot their password. As you can see, you have entered the wrong pin 5 times. Try again in 30 seconds. Okay, to do hard reset, first power off your smartphone. Tap on power off. Okay, now it is successfully power off. Now press and hold the volume up and power key together for a few seconds like this. Okay, now here volume key is to move up and down and power button to confirm. So here go to recovery mode and confirm. So here you can see install software, clear data, check system, enter safe mode. So now here go to clear data, and here you can see clear all data, clear cache. Now go to clear all data, and here you can see, as you can see, all data on this phone will be cleared, including important data such as SMS messages. Data cannot be restored if cleared. Please proceed with caution. Okay, contacts, photos and SMS messages will be deleted after the hard reset. It is informing you. Okay, now simply tap on OK. So as you can see, clearing data, do not operate the device. So you can see cleared, all data cleared. Now tap on return, go back and restart your phone. And guys, after hard reset, it might take some time to boot up the device, and after hard reset, when it asks for password, tap on skip and use previously logged in Google account to unlock the phone. So guys, this is the method to hard reset vivo T2x 5G smartphone easily. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any query related to this video, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe and click on bell icon for the latest updates.